This is going to be a video tutorial on how to split your audio and video in Camtasia Studio. Let me jump over to the Camtasia Studio here. As you can see here, I have a video file here, and if I wanted to adjust like the volume for this video file I have way too loud. I want to adjust that. To do so, I need to split the audio from the video, and the way to do that, first thing you want to do is click on your video file down here at the bottom. Just click on it. Then you want to right click on it, and you go up to where it says separate audio and video. I will click on that, and now as you can see, this bottom file is the video and the one above it is the audio. And now to adjust the audio here, I'm going to click off of it. I'm going to click on just the audio file to where that's the only one highlighted, and you can see this green line that goes through here. That is where your audio is at, and all you got to do is put your mouse cursor on that line to where you see the up and down arrow, and from there you can increase the volume or you could decrease it. But when it comes to editing, that's something very important to know, how to split your audio and video. Thanks for watching.